Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Loox on Shopify. So start over by heading to admin.shopify.com, and in your seller page, just make sure that you're logged into your account, and in the left panel under the apps section, just click on add apps. You just scroll down, then click on get more recommendations in Shopify App Store. So in the search bar, just search for Loox, then press enter. Just click on install. Then once again, click on install. So you can either choose a plan now or use it for free. Loox makes it easy to collect photo and video reviews from your customers automatically. You can show them off with clean, customizable widgets that help build trust and even your SEO. Happy customers can easily refer their friends right after leaving a review, and you can also reward both sides with discounts, making it a win win situation. Right after someone leaves a review, you can show them a personalized upsell offer. It's a smart way to increase order value while they're already feeling good about your brand. And in the settings section, you've got the full control. Customize the look, automate your review requests, and even run everything in multiple languages if needed. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!